Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing a 3D scorpion on a Sony Xperia tablet. The scorpion size is about 10 by 8 centimeters. Using black and white as opaque colors, and the rest of the colors are transparent. And I put a sticker over the camera and I grinded the surface of the pad and removed any grease that's left there with a silicone remover. So first step, I'm doing the full black on the first stencil, which is the outline of the scorpion. So now I'm staying on the black and I'm doing the shadow. I try to make it a little bit darker around the scorpion. So at the belly of the scorpion I'm going darker than at the rest. And also it depends on how dark your background is. So on the back I've done a lot darker shadow than here on the white surface. Okay, then I'm switching to white. So now this is the first full white stencil, and in this stencil all the highlights are included. So, and if you have a dark background, you can start with this, doing the gray afterwards, and then cover the whole scorpion. And then you can lighten the background. So this is how you would work on the black surface. Now comes the gray. So I'm just going in with just a tiny bit of gray. And everywhere where I can see a full white, I will do a little bit more of the gray. Now this is the final stencil where I can add some color, so it's like the reflection of the surface or the sky in the scorpion. So I'm using now a light brown, which is like 90% yellow and 10% purple. Like I said, if you want a reflection on the upper side of the sky or something like this, you can use like light brown and light blue. I'm doing this because I don't want it to be too colorful, just with the light brown. So as a finish, I'm reapplying the full white again, and I'm painting just a few spots in full white. So that's the scorpion in 3D on Xperia Sony Tablet. If you like the style, you can subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.